Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up a brand new Google Ads account. Now, let's get started. The first step is to ensure you're signed into your Google account. Once done, head over to Google and in the search bar, type ads.google.com. I'll also add the link to this page in the description below for your convenience. Clicking on this link will take you to the starting screen. Here, you'll find options to get started with Google Ads. Look for the Sign In option on the right side or click on Start Now. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to create an account without a campaign. On this page, you'll see your billing country, time zone, and currency. Ensure this information is correct as it's automatically detected based on your location. Click on Continue to proceed. Enter your billing address and details and then scroll down. You'll be asked a couple of questions. Select No for both questions. Once done, click on Submit. Voila! You're all set. You've successfully created your Google Ads account and can now access Google Ads tools and resources like Keyword Planner. Simply head to the Tools under the Planning section and click on Keyword Planner. Here, you can discover new keywords by typing in your keyword and starting your search. You'll find various results that you can use for keyword research. Additionally, you can set up campaigns here to promote your videos, website, products, services, and more. And that's it for now. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you encounter any issues or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye.